Music powers every part of my day, from meeting deadlines to doing chores or smashing my gym sets. With Spotify Premium, I get to enjoy ad-free music listening and play only what I love. Enjoy ad-free music listening with Spotify Premium.
Bro, your music sounds different. It sounds really good.
That's Spotify Premium. High quality audio that makes it feel like the artist is right here.
No wonder. Every beat just hits deeper.
Exactly. Get Premium and hear music the way it's meant to sound. Experience music in high quality audio with Spotify Premium.
All right, guys. We're back, guys. We're back. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, traders. Good morning. It's good to be active. It's good to be on the chat this day. Let's jump onto the charts quickly and let's do what we know how to do best. Let's do what we know how to do best. So let's quickly look at Forest Factory before we proceed and let's check exactly what's going on. Yeah, so you can see there's a couple of bank holidays here. There's Euro bank holiday, there's France bank holiday, there's CFS bank holiday. You can see it's all there, and you can also see. Hold on, guys. Let me share this to the community. So you can see this is what we have going on today. 1:30, around 1:30, we have uh, retail sales, core retail sales. So we're just monitoring it right now. Just monitoring it. Just monitoring it. So we're gonna check again today. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Back to doing what we need to do. So you can see this. You can see our chart. You can see what we have here. You can see there's literally nothing going on here. It's just this is news event. So the only event I'm interested in is this one by 1:30. So let's see if we can get anything later on today. So let's go out to our chart. Let's break our chart quickly. This is good, the daily time frame, but this is not the one I should be looking at. I don't know why it keeps opening this particular one. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, this is gold daily time frame. So let's quickly do what we need to do. So you can see I spoke about this particular support yesterday that price needs to close and break below, so you can know that um you can get like a direction for price to keep pushing downwards. But we didn't get that closure. What we did instead, we got price closing right at the zone and the next candle pushing upward. So you can also see like this is um the daily range. So price is actually ranging. It's been ranging for a couple of days now. You can see it. You can see multiple rejection, daily rejection, and price has been rejecting. So price is just ranging. So that one will tell you for a fact that price is ranging. So let's go over to our 4 hour. Let's drop down to the 4 hour time frame and let's see um how we can look for opportunities inside this range. Now, first of all, we all know that trading in range is a very risky thing to do, but still there, we can still find a way around it there's an if there's any opportunity. Hold on, guys. I need to update a particular record. I just noticed I did not do that. I just noticed I did not do that. Okay, as I was saying, I just noticed it's very difficult trading the range, but still we can always look for opportunities where we can trade the range and look for opportunities. Like just to see any setup inside the range. So the 4 hour just started like an hour ago. It's like 5 minutes to the end of the 4 hours, which is also the start of the London section. So let's see. So let's adjust our support level to this point. Let's leave this one. Let's move this one to the very top. It's like the 4 hours zone I'm working with right now. So let's get down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how the 1 hour is talking to us. Let's see what the 1 hour is telling us. So the 1 hour, we have our support below here. We have our resistance above here. We have a small range above this level of around 100 pip. You can see it's 120 pip, and that's about it. So if I'm looking for buys, if I'm looking for sales, I can't look for anything per se here because you can see zooming out more. You can see how nasty the range is. So if I'm actually looking for any good opportunity for buys, should somewhere be like perfect, like let me see the like maybe the cleanest opportunity to be somewhere above this level. Yeah. So well, that's not what we're in for right now. So that's not what we're in for right now. So let's continue. Let's continue what we're doing. So let's jump down to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what the 30 minutes is telling us. So 30 minutes is good. Let me adjust this to this point. So 30 minutes is good, but we have a 30 minutes support now drawn below here. So we can look for opportunities, we can look for selling opportunities if price break below this level. So if you get a break below this level, you can look for possible selling opportunities on the 30 minutes. And if you measure the range from here to this point, it's about 130 pips. So this is good. So we drop down to the 15 minutes as well. 15 minutes Why is already doing his own thing, break below the structure, doing his own thing, but I'm not interested in trading this place right now. So we just wait. We just have to wait. We just have to wait for price to break below the structure. Either it break below the structure or it breaks above this level. So this is what we are working with right now. So let's see if we get a sell. If we get a buy. So you just wait. Yeah, we have to just wait. Just wait for price to do his thing, and we can see how we can execute and make some money off it. So that's about it. That's all I can see. Oh, market structure is not the best, but I think I've broken it down to the best of my ability and how I feel like I would enter the price. If price give me something, like the market give me something, this is how I feel like I'm going to partake of it. And some people might be talking about we're just ranging, we just massively ranging. Try yesterday, I was just trading the range, so this is a massive range. I just let's just see how it plays out. Waiting, guys. We're just waiting. We're just waiting for closures, price reaction. Then we know how we're going to execute. So in simple terms, on gold, 50 minutes. So I want price to like if you're selling opportunities, drive it down a bit, drive it down. If price wants to push to the downside, break below this low, have like a candle closing below the low like this, then we can get a rejection retest, then you can look to sell it to this level for sales. So this is where we'll get into our selling opportunities. Hope you guys can hear me. You guys can hear me. So I can explain it one more time. So for gold sales, I want price to like push down. I need to see some bearish momentum to the downside. Price bringing in the bearish candles. So if I see a break of structure, price closing below this level, then I can look for a retest. Then I can look for price to break below the low. Then I can look to sell it. Either the wick fill from the wick or from the body of the candle. I'll determine where I want to place my trade depending on how that candle closes. So that's what I want to do. Same thing for buys. If I'm looking for buy opportunities on gold, I need to see some bullish candles, some strong bullish candles in the next breaking above this level. But I would want to get if it's one strong bullish candle, I would want to get into the trade immediately. I need to see some small bearish momentum showing that sellers are trying to pull the price but failing to. Then and after that, I can look for impulsive entries above the candle to keep pushing the price upward. So probably to meet up these levels here. So this is what exactly I'm looking for on gold. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see if we get something strong, something good, and we know how we would likely execute. But for now, there's an opportunity. We just wait for price to do its thing, then we execute after price do its thing. But if we don't get anything, then we don't get anything. So that's just it. We don't get anything, we don't get anything. Like this. So it's London open right now. It's London open, so let's see. I hope I've made myself clear with where I'm looking for buy. So let me put it here so you guys will see it properly. Price can do whatever he likes. I'm not getting in unless he breaks above this level or below this level. So that's the only thing I'll tell you for sure. I'm not doing anything right now. Price has to play out to has to do exactly what I want. And I don't see hey, it looks like a break of structure. Price can yes, price can move, but look at the entire structure himself. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't look right. It just look like market is just moving sideways. You understand? Just doing his own thing, and the possibility of us getting break even in the street is very high. So let him move. Let it do his thing. While we wait, we just wait for price to give us a better setup, better analysis. Then we can execute from there. 5 more minutes, less than 5 minutes, and we'll end the stream, guys. All right, guys, that's about it. See you guys. Price moving now. If there's anything, I'm going to send that to the group. But that's about it for us. See you guys when we see. Peace and